Experiencing internet connection problems with your Spectrum router? This video will guide you through fixing the most common issues related to WAN, DNS, and Wi-Fi bands. First, let's define these key concepts. WAN, or Wide Area Network, refers to your router's connection to Spectrum's network. A faulty cable, modem issue, or even a service outage in your area can disrupt this connection. DNS, or Domain Name System, translates website URLs into IP addresses. Incorrect DNS settings can cause a no-internet error, even with a working WAN connection. Finally, Wi-Fi bands involve the 2.4 GHz, longer range, slower speed, and 5 GHz, 6 GHz, shorter range, faster speed frequencies. Incompatible devices or interference can prevent a device from connecting to Wi-Fi. We will show you the most common solutions, including checking cables, restarting devices, and using the Spectrum app. Let's walk through some practical steps to fix your Spectrum router's connection. First, power cycle both your modem and router. Check for firmware updates via your router's admin panel, typically accessed by typing 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Firmware updates often include critical bug fixes. If these simple fixes don't work, consider checking your DNS settings. Spectrum often recommends using their own DNS servers. For Wi-Fi band issues, use the My Spectrum app to split your Wi-Fi bands, forcing devices to use either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, 6 GHz band as needed. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your router, but remember to back up your settings first. Use Spectrum's Speed Test app to verify your internet speed after making these changes. As of late 2024 and into 2025, Spectrum has been rolling out AI-driven diagnostics in their app, which automates many of these troubleshooting steps.